And welcome back to Officer Oil. My name's Scott McAdoo, and I'm here with my son, Garrett, and your friend, Ellie. Very good. These are my helpers today. I'm a police first responder in Maryland, and I love to say that when I'm not fighting crime, what are we doing, Garrett?
We are gonna fix this thing.
Right, but when we're not fighting crime, what do we do? When we're not fighting crime, we are fighting
Friction.
Tell them.
Friction.
Very good. Good. We're fighting friction. So here I'm with my helpers, and we're going to clean out the carburetor on this STIHL BG55 blower. Okay, runs very well. It's got a slight little bog when you get started here until it gets warmed up, but we're going to be using, hold this up. All right, we're going to be using the AMSOIL Power Foam, and this is like tune-up in a can. If it saves you so much headache with having to rip apart carburetors, it's going to clean out the entire combustion system.
Sorry for that dirt bike noise.
Oh yeah, there might be a dirt bike in the background. So, but this is going to clean up everything that these two-stroke small engine and handheld equipment, anything that's keeping this thing running at peak efficiency. So what we want to do.
Here it comes the back.
Okay, I know. So. All right,
Ellie's
so what we
dirt
want to
bike.
do.
It's her dirt bike here.
Oh, okay.
At the house going.
All right. So to do this, let me show you the can here real quick. So you want to hold that for me, guys? All right. So again, this guy is perfect for all those 2- and 4-stroke gasoline engines. Going to clean out all those performance robbing deposits, everything related to all those nasty ethanol issues, the gum, the varnish, maximize horsepower, startability, fuel economy, all the above, reduce all that carbon that shows up on these two-strokes. So what we do here is, go ahead, give that a good shake for me. Good, come on, shake it up. Good. All right, so here, and then we take our cap off. We have our little applicator tube. Let's put this in here like this. All right, hold that for me. Okay, so over here, just take off your air filter. Take off your air filter here. And then we're going to get it started up here. Now it's already warmed up. Here's that little bug, little application. Hopefully that'll bring that. All right, so Garrett, Ella here, you guys want to work the trigger for me? Right here, scoot up here a little bit. All right, go ahead and hold it down, wide open. Oh, too much. Oh, too much. This is what we're trying to fix. Hold that. All right, there we go. So we're just spraying in right here in the carburetor in the air intake. All right, see that smoke? Yeah. Oh, we got to get it going. Keep it going for me, all right? Let it conk out, and then you want to start your watch, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes to get in there and clean out all those deposits. Oh, good. All right, so start a stopwatch, 15 minutes. You got it? All right, we'll be back. All right, we're back. Again, 10 to 15 minutes. It's in there. It's cleaning up all that crud and gunk and all that, all those deposits that have been building up here. So just fire it up, blow it out, and clean her on up. Here we go. Smoke a little bit, kill some mosquitoes. Yeah, nice insect repellent smell. Nice and clean, nice and smooth, no hesitation. All my smoke's gone. 10 So there we go. Pretty easy, very simple way to clean your carburetors, do a nice little maintenance on these. Time is money, right? Pulling carburetors off. If you have a fleet, you got a landscape fleet, a tree company, you're pulling these carburetors off, it's costing you time. Time is money. So this is a great way. The Power Foam, spray this in there. It will save you so much headache to keep everything clean and keep all that carbon out of there. So if you're a do-it-yourselfer like me, working in the backyard, you can easily get your can of Power Foam. Click on the link below. Become a preferred customer for DIY. It's perfect for your do-it-yourselfers out there. Click on that. It's going to save you 25 bucks. If you become a member, we'll give you free shipping right to your doorstep on anything over $100. Great program, plus many other perks. If you have a retail store or a repair shop, we have an even more advantageous program. We get you a bigger discount. But if you have a fleet of small engine equipment, so your landscapers, if you're a landscaper, a tree company, get yourself some Power Foam. Your mechanics will love this. They will be so happy. I specialize working with tree and landscape companies, and they are so happy with this tune-up in a can. Power Foam, AMSOIL Power Foam. Please like the page, please subscribe. By the way, I lost the kids. They're riding dirt bikes, so we lost them. They're having too much fun. I can't blame them. They're young. But like the page, please subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what other good content that we can show you, because I want to try to help build the page. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Officer Oil out.